Welcome to the automatic chicken cutting factory, where technology meets precision in food processing. Fresh chicken arrives in temperature-controlled containers to ensure top quality. Each batch goes through a strict quality check to remove any damaged or unsafe chicken. The conveyor system automatically transfers the chicken to the cutting line. This is the heart of the operation, the fully automated chicken cutting machine. Advanced sensors detect the shape and size of each chicken before cutting. Robotic arms adjust the chicken's position to achieve perfect accuracy. High-speed stainless steel blades prepare for operation, ensuring hygiene and efficiency. The process begins with the removal of wings, performed with exact precision. Next, the legs are separated into even parts for packaging. The breast section is carefully sliced for restaurant-grade quality. A bone separation system ensures only pure, boneless chicken moves forward. After each batch, an automatic cleaning system sanitizes the entire machine. Every chicken piece is weighed and portioned automatically for perfect balance. Final inspection ensures all pieces meet the factory's strict standards. Once verified, the chicken is packed using an automatic vacuum sealing system. Labels are printed and applied automatically for easy identification. The sealed packed chicken box are stored in a cold chamber to preserve freshness. Finally, products are loaded into refrigerated trucks for nationwide delivery. This is how automation transforms chicken cutting into a fast, clean, and safe process, ready for your plate.